In this video, I will show how to define a new treatment in Simulx. I have loaded a simple PK model that I would like to simulate with a new dosing regimen. To this end, I can create a new treatment element in the tab definition. In the window that opens, I have several options to define the treatment: regular, manual, or external. The name and ADM fields are common to these options. They allow to set a name for the element and to choose the administration ID, which is used in the structural model to decide how to handle different types of doses. First, I can define a manual treatment as a list of doses that will be applied to all simulated individuals. For each dose, I need to define the time and the amount, and I can add more doses in the list with this button. With this option, dosing times can be irregular, and the amounts can differ between doses, such as here, for example. Additional information for each dose can be included with this menu. Infusion duration or rate, such as here, for example, with an infusion duration of 3, and the possibility to add a washout just before each dose, such as here before the last dose. Advanced features to repeat the treatment or add non-compliance probability are available below the list of doses for the different types of treatment. We will show how to use them in a later video. This manual treatment is named Treatment Manual 1, which is the default name. The second option allows to easily define a treatment with a regular schedule. Here I can define a vector of regular dosing times with a start time, an interdose interval, and a number of doses. For example, here 6 doses every 12 hours. The unique amount is the same for all doses. Optionally, a unique infusion duration or rate can also be added. The default name for the first regular treatment is Treatment Regular 1. Finally, the third option consists in defining the treatment via an external file. This file should be a table of individual doses in a CSV format, like this one, for example. It contains multiple doses for 4 different individuals. The columns time and amount are mandatory, but the column ID is optional. If it is not present, all doses are considered as common, so they will be applied to all simulated individuals. Other optional columns can be included, such as TINF for infusion duration like here, or rate for infusion rate, occasion, and washout marked with 0 or 1. The separator can be comma, semicolon, space, or tabulation. The default name for a first external treatment is Treatment External 1. Once a treatment is defined, its content can be viewed in details with this button. My manual treatment contains 3 doses, the regular one has 6 doses, and the external treatment has 3 to 6 doses per individual. In exploration, I can check the predictions based on these 3 treatments for my simple PK model. And one set of parameters. Since the external treatment contains several individual dosing regimens, I can choose the ID used for the prediction with this slider. Note also that creating a new treatment can also be done directly from exploration by clicking here. That's it for this video. See you next week.